For today's Cook and Dine starter, we have got a beetroot, marinated beetroot, which is in a little of olive oil, salt, pepper, Cabernet Sauvignon vinegar. We've slow cooked it, and it's ready to go, been peeled and all. We've got some TOLA goat's cheese. We've got like a granola with dried cranberries, honeyed walnuts, almonds, some pumpkin seeds, and a little bit of chilli, so there's a wee bit of heat to it as well, and just nicely seasoned, and then just some lettuce. And this is one of the dishes, you always have to put a salad on, because sometimes, you just need that wee bit of change and crunch. And we try to always have something like this on at Christmas time, and it's so simple. So all it really is you're dressing everything into one container ready to go. Beetroot goes into the bowl, like so. In your lettuce, and everything's pre-seasoned, ready to go. So it's virtually out of the container, into the bowl, toss off, build a plate and serve. That's how easy it is. In with the goat's cheese, it's ready to go, brilliant. The granola we're going to leave to the very last second, and all we're going to just do is toss it off very, very quickly so the leaves get covered in the dressings, and then all we're going to do is just build it up in the bowl, like so. Very, very simply done. Once again, we're using this here, but over the Christmas period, the lettuce may change. May go to watercress, may go to baby jam, so very, very simple. If once again, if our supplier comes in and they turn around and say we've got some beautiful golden beetroot or yellow beetroot, we'll be changing as we go along the colour of the beetroot. The actual dish itself won't change, but they may have no problem with that there. So then the granola itself, all you do is just spoon it over the top of it, like so. Very, very easy. And how simple is that? You've got your beetroot, TOLA and granola. Unbelievably simple. And the walnuts are just beautifully and sweet, and we're ready to go. Thank you.